Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. Today I am in my downstairs bathroom. I am going to give it a decor update. If you are here for the first time, welcome to the family. I share cleaning, home decor videos. If you are interested in any of these things, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And to you, my Glam Squad, thank you for all of your love and support. Remember, I am on Instagram at decor.glamstyle by Dalou and on Facebook and TikTok at glamstyle with Dalou. As I mentioned before, one of the problems that I face in this area is this big wire. It is the connection for the LED mirror. The goal is to try to block it as much as possible. Is the reason I chose the vase. It's from Amazon and these big, beautiful, large branches. I hope you will find some inspirations and you are looking forward to seeing my bathroom refresh. For those of you who are new, this bathroom is also my bathroom. I do not use towels in there. Instead, I use paper so guests can feel more comfortable when drying their hands. My soap and lotion dispensers are from Home Goods. The containers came with the soap. I empty one soap out to put the lotion. It's about $6 each. This is a small wall mirror. I am going to use it as a tray. Also, this is a lotion dispenser for Christmas. I am going to use it as a small vase.
Don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love.
This is the shower curtain that I currently have. As always, I'm going to double it with another one.
Make it easy, but I'm worth a while. tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me.
This is simple and cute. If you want, you can leave it like that, but you can add a little bit more if you want to.
For you, you should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time.
I just switched the wall art to this one that is closer to the decor.
How to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
Please go in the comment, let me know what you think about my bathroom. It was so good to be here with you today. I am looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Remember to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I love you always. Bye bye. Mwah.